Hey everybody, Jandareview, and today we're at Triple H RV here in Haleyville, Alabama. If you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us a thumbs up. Today we're going to be looking at a 2024 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8, model number 221MKE. So let's get started. The length on this Summit Series 8 Catalina is 28 feet 2 inches. The dry weight is 5,101 pounds, and that hitch weight is 658. This is actually a cool little floor plan.
This is an awesome little floor plan, and if you are looking for something that is half-ton towable, you might want to check this one out. If you're not in the market to buy a larger truck just yet, this would be a good one to put on your list. So let's start up here with some pass-through storage. That's what that right there looks like. It's going to have manual stabilizers on it.
Ooh.
Come down, we'll show you. This is going to be the one slide that this one has. Your dump area is going to be right there. Pretty easy to get to. On the back, you'll see that it is prepped for a backup camera. Your water connections are here. Moving on down to the campsite. It's going to have a power awning with an LED light strip.
Remember what size?
I believe this was a 18-foot awning.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure if you can see it, but the light strip in this, you can change colors.
It's green.
And we've got it on green right now, just to be
okay.
different.
We don't know how we done it, but it's green.
We don't know how to change it. That's why it's green. All right here you're going to have this neat little outside storage. Great little spot to just stash some items. And the other side of your pass-through, it's going to be right up here. And it is wired for solar. So nice pass-through there. All right. Well, let's go right on inside and take a look at this. Again, if you're looking for something that's half-ton towable and you're looking for a great couples camper, this one is probably going to fit that bill perfectly. Take a quick look around. And sorry, we are filming in the afternoon, so we've got really weird shadows going on in this one.
And I told everybody the wrong length on this thing. I knew it did not look 28 feet. It's actually 25 feet 11 inches.
25 feet 11 inches. So that makes it even better if you're towing with a half ton.
So I've got to make a correction.
Correction. Yes. Well, we're going to start right up front. Now this one is a completely open floor plan. So again, perfect for a couples camper. Now, this is going to have a north-south bed. This is going to be a camp queen. Looks like you should be able to add a regular size queen if you wanted to, but it does come with a camp queen. You're going to have some hanging storage on both sides and a storage shelf across the top. And pretty sure this has got a little bit of storage under the bed.
Yes. Hey, there we go.
Actually, pretty good storage under the bed. Get back on up so you can see that.
Wow.
All right, now in your slide, which is going to be across from your campsite, is this awesome theater seat.
Now, this is nice.
If you guys have watched this before, you'll know that we have seen this theater seating in another Catalina, and we are so jealous. This is a really, really nice theater seat. You've got that storage down there. This has got wireless charging, cup holders. You have storage there, and storage there. So this is just
and if
awesome.
No one has sit in none of these,
they're really comfortable. They're a little bit higher in the back than some of the other ones are, so that just makes them really comfortable. Okay, let me get off my little jealousy box there and move on. Nice big window right behind it. Now, if you sit here on these theater seats, your TV is going to mount right up there between those cabinets. You'll see that your connections are already in place. So you do have some pretty decent storage on both sides there.
Yep, same.
And this is going to be above your table. I love this. Most people know that I actually prefer table and chairs. So this kind of gives you the best of both worlds. You do have a booth seat on one side, and then you've got your chairs that you can move around on the other side. Awesome. Nice size window there so you can look out over your campsite.
Yeah, it's bright coming through.
It is bright. This afternoon sun is a little bit killer right now.
Yeah.
Your AC unit's going to be right up here, and this is going to have the GE AC system in it. Now that we have taken this apart, you'll see that there is storage under that bench.
Want to show everybody everything.
So, I mean, if you're looking for one that has additional sleeping, this one's not going to have it, but this is definitely going to be strictly a couples camper.
Yeah.
All right, let's move on into the kitchen. This is going to have a 12-volt compressor fridge. It's got the freezer up here on top.
Okay.
And as usual, your microwave is mounted up there. A little bit of storage.
Hood range.
And this only has a 3-burner cooktop. Now, this particular unit does not have an oven. But you've got space here and a plug-in. If you wanted to put your little toaster oven right there, it would fit really well. Obviously, nobody has opened these drawers.
No, they
are
haven't.
stiff. Wow. You don't have to worry about these coming open while you're going down the road.
Goodness.
But nice sized drawers there.
There we go.
And there's some cabinets. You know what? That looks like you can modify that if you wanted to add
a little combo.
Yeah.
Unit.
I would definitely say get in touch with your local dealership and have them check on that. They might be able to modify that for you.
I bet I could.
So we'll ask Karen. I'm pretty sure you will not like this one with no oven.
No oven, Karen.
No oven.
Wow. We thought of you.
At the very back, though, you've got nice size cabinets across the top. You got this big window here, so while you're standing here at the sink, and this is a big sink with a high-rise faucet, you've got storage down below that. You've got an open area right over here for storage. Actually, this is a really nice counter area to be a smaller unit. One thing that we noticed when we came in that we want to point out is the lighting in here could be a little better. There really needs to be a little extra lighting.
I think it needs at least 1 or 2 more around here on this side.
It does. It only has 1 row of lights right down the center, but I'm pretty sure that could also be remedied if we really want to. Pantry area. Pretty nice size pantry to be a small unit. So you've got all of this, and it's all behind 2 doors. Fuses are going to be located down here, easy to get to.
All right. Well, hey, now that's sharp.
And your bathroom is also going to be here at the back in the corner.
Hey.
You've got a fan up there.
Yeah.
And Jeremy's 6 feet tall, so you could be upwards of 6'1", 6'2" before you would have any head issues getting into it. But you'll see it's not a very big step up. This one does have a shower curtain. I bet you could add a retractable door if you like those instead. No medicine cabinet back there, but you do have a mirror above your sink. Got some storage down below that. Open storage right over here. Plug in. But then you've got some more storage back here.
That is neat.
This is open. It does have some lips in it. So if you have the little storage baskets that you like to use, those should fit up there and ride with no problem at all. Couple of hooks here for towels or a robe.
And they winterize their campers just like I do ours. I put little bags on
Yes,
ours.
we have little bags and rubber bands everywhere.
Yeah.
So it's nice to know that these are already winterized for you. Your heat vent's going to be right down there below your shower.
Yeah.
And let's see. I was looking for them in here. Well, they're not on the floor. Okay, we're not sure where the heating is. Unless it's there.
I think it's this.
It's going to be that.
Yeah.
Yes. So all of your heat's going to come out, which is going to actually work well because that's going to come straight down the middle.
Straight out the middle.
Of your camper.
Yeah.
But now if you look, you can see it is all open. So it's really a good space. Nice, light, bright colors in here. Almost perfect for a couples camper.
All right, everybody. If you like this little Catalina, the dealership's information will be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.